Alright, in this video we're going to be graphing from point-slope form. In the previous video we were writing linear equations in point-slope form. So today we're going to graph them. So a reminder of point-slope form. Here we have the form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So within the equation we're given an x, y ordered pair and the slope. So that's enough to graph it. Okay, graphing point-slope form. To graph an equation in point-slope form, you must pull out the given point and slope to graph the line. Just remember this. When pulling out x1 and y1, the point should be written as the opposite x1, opposite y1. So between the linear equation and the ordered pair, the signs are opposite. Okay, graph this one. Y minus 1 equals 2/3 x minus 4. Okay, so let's take out what they give us. They give us an ordered pair, 4, 1. Remember, between the ordered pair and the linear equation, the signs are opposite. So this was the -1 here, so it's a +1 for the ordered pair. And my slope is 2/3, so that's up 2 over 3. So that's enough. If I have one point and the slope, I can graph this line. So graph the point, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Slope is 2/3 positive. So for my next point, I go up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Then the next point, up 2 over 1, 2, 3. And then we can graph it in there. Okay, so graphing from point slope is pretty straightforward. Okay, next example, graphing from point slope. Let's take out what they give us in the form. It is point slope form. So they give us a point and they give us the slope. So the point that they give us is +2, -1, again opposite signs from the linear equation to the ordered pair, and the slope is -1/3. The slope is exactly the slope. There's no sign change. Okay, so graph the point, 2, -1 right here. My slope is -1/3, so that's down 1 over 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 1, 2, 3. That's good enough. Graph that in there. And there's the second line graphed. Alright, next one, graph the linear equation. Okay, so take out what they give us. They give us a point and the slope. So they give us an x-coordinate of +4, opposite of that. Give us a y-coordinate of -4, opposite of that. They give us a slope, an m of 4. So that's going to be up 4 over 1. So graph the point, 4, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our first point, 4, -4. Slope is up 4 over 1. Right there, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And we just plot our line in through those points. Okay, in this example, we are going to be given some information that doesn't directly give us what we need. We're going to have to do some more work. So it says, write the equation of the line that passes through the point, -3, 4, but has a slope that is twice the slope of the given line. So we need to find the slope from these 2 points and then double it. We need to multiply it by 2 when we're done. Okay, so from that point, we would get a slope of y2, 8, minus y1, 4, over x2, 2, minus x1, -2. So subtract -2, flips to a plus. So 8 minus 4, 4, divided by 4 is 1. So the slope there is 1. So the slope of my line, so my slope is double that, because it said twice the slope of the given line. So my slope will be twice 1, which is 2. So I need slope of 2 through the point, -3, 4. So that would be, in point slope form, y minus 4 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 3. So it's through the point, -3, 4, with a slope of 2. Alright, last example. here, write the equation of the line that has a y-intercept that is 6 more than the y-intercept of the given line. So it says hint, convert given line to slope-intercept, define given y-intercept. So they are telling us that the y-intercept needs to be 6 more. They don't say anything about the slope, so that means the slope should be the same. So first of all, we need to find the equation of this line in slope-intercept form because we must know the y-intercept, and slope-intercept would give us that. So we start by finding the slope. So we label these points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Fill in the slope formula, so 4 minus 2 over 2 minus negative 2 flips to 2 plus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Reduce. Slope is 1/2. So I need to write it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. So the only thing that I'm missing right now is the b, the y-intercept. So I need to choose one of these points. I'm going to choose that one because both coordinates are positive and I like that better. And the slope that I found, 1/2. So substitute in what you know. So this is going in for x, this is going in for y. So y is 4 from that point. M is 1/2, found that earlier. X is 2 from that point. And then b we don't know. So we're solving for b here. 1/2 times 2 is 1 plus b. Solve for b, subtract 1. b equals 3. So if the slope of the given line is 3, I need a y-intercept 6 more than that. So my y-intercept is going to be 6 plus 3, which equals 9. So I need to write it in, I can choose the form. They don't tell me. So I have the slope, 1/2. I have the y-intercept, 9. So the most appropriate form, the easiest form to write it in now, would be slope-intercept. Because I have the intercept, I have the slope. So let's write it in slope-intercept. So slope-intercept again, y equals mx plus b. I have a b of 9, an m of 1/2. So my line is y equals 1/2 x plus 9. b of 9, m of 1/2. Just like all equations, when you're done, y and x are y and x. Everything else needs a number. And that's it for this video.